guys. Starting the recording.
All right, today we're going to talk about equations. And so you've probably seen a lot of these equations before. And so if you look up here, the definition of an equation is a mathematical sentence that has an equal sign. And so if you look at the following, it says find the solution of the equation 2m plus 5 equals 13 if the replacement set is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? If you notice here, those little brackets, those are set notations. So basically it just means the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So all you're going to do is you're going to take 2 and you're going to plug it in here for m. You're going to take 3, you're going to plug it in for m. You're going to take 4, you're going to plug it in for m. You're going to see which of those 5 numbers satisfies that equation. So what we're going to do, okay, is we're going to do the following. 2 times 2 plus 5, we're going to see, does that equal 13? So let's see. 2 times 2, what is that? 4. Does that plus 5 equal 13? No, so 2's out. Now I'm going to do the same thing. 2 times 3. What's that? 6 plus 5, is that 13? No. 4. 2 times 4 plus 5, is that 13?
Yes.
Yep. 2 times 5 plus 5, is that 13? No. And what about 2 times 6 plus 5, is that 13? No. Now you can't just stop after you get one that works because you might get multiple ones that work. And so what our answer is going to be is 4. And that is what you write. Yep.
Can't you just figure it out by going backwards?
Yeah, you could. I'm just showing you another way that will work. And so if you look at this next one, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and find the solution here. Find the solution set for each equation if the replacement set is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So I want you to find which of those 4 work. Now some of you might be able to do this in your head. Some of you might have to go ahead and write some things down. Yeah. And the answer is 2. Nice job, 100%.
Way to make a purple.
Okay, so anyway, 2 works. Okay, so now what we're going to do is it says solve the following equation. And so notice this. We have an expression on the left, which is what we've already done. And now all they're doing is they're just adding this equals p thing on the end. So we've already done this. PEMDAS, order of operations, states you do what first here? The parentheses. And so inside the parentheses, I got to do the 5 squared. So I know 5 squared is
25.
minus 5 divided by 2. And that's going to equal p. Next, what I need to do is my parentheses. 25 minus 5 is 20. What do I do now? I divide it by 2. A lot of people think you do 6 plus 20, and that's not the case. What I actually do now is the 20 divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So I end up getting 6 plus 10, which is 16 equals p, and that is your final answer. Okay, 16 equals p. So your turn now. Let's go ahead and have you try this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and send it to your expression. So 9 squared divided by 5 minus 2.
shedding for Bernard.
Is that your way of calling me a dog?
Yep.
So,
It's sticking out, isn't it?
I see it right there, right there.
He's all shedding.
That was
I
him.
use a calculator in my brain.
No, actually, no.
okay, let's see what we all got. And the answer is
27?
27. So let's go through and see. First thing I need to do here is the 5 minus 2. So I end up getting n equals 9 squared divided by 3. Order of operations next states you're going to do exponents. So I'm going to do 9 squared. 9 squared is 81 divided by 3. 81 divided by 3 is 27. Okay? So far so good? What we're going to do is we're going to continue with this tomorrow, because if you look at the next one, we're going to solve equations now in which the variable is inside the actual expression itself. But due to time, so tomorrow we're going to pick up on this. And if you want to go ahead and get started, this will be your assignment, which is assigned tomorrow. So if you feel comfortable enough to go ahead and work ahead and try to do all of it, that's great. Okay. Otherwise, this will be assigned tomorrow. It will be due Thursday. Okay.